What's up YouTubes? Welcome to another video on hot trades. My name is Blaze. So in this video we'll be looking at the key levels for PLTR. So if you're looking to trade PLTR over the next week, these are the levels you should be watching. So PLTR actually had a really good week. They closed up about 14% for the week, and then over the last month it's up about 60%, so they've been doing quite well lately. I know they had earnings on Tuesday, and yeah, so before we do get into the chart, let me show you this little piece of information. So where is it? Right here. ARK Holdings actually made a really big investment into PLTR. We went on Friday, so they bought about 1 million shares of PLTR on Friday. So that's probably why we had a really good day on Friday. So going back to the chart, the levels I'm watching for the next week, Monday, what is it? Monday the 16th. Yeah. So these are the levels I'm watching for the week of Monday the 16th. So we need to get back above this $16 level. So that's a key level for me, and then we need to get back above this 1706 level, which is the all-time high. So these are the two key levels I'm watching for the upside. And then if we do fail to get back above 16, I'm watching this 1450 level for support. And yeah, so those are the levels I'm watching, but I'm expecting this company to move a lot higher. So yeah, so I'm watching these levels for over the next week. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions about anything, drop it in the comment section and I'll do my best to get to you. Thank you.